Let us solve one problem from Get Physics. The problem states that let rho is a function of PQT be the phase space density of an ensemble of a system. The Hamiltonian of the system is HPQ if AB denotes the Poisson's bracket of A and B, then del rho by del T equal to 0 implies that. So we are given a phase space density of rho is a function of P, Q and T, and asks what condition follows from the statement when del d rho by dt equal to 0. This condition comes from the Liouville's theorem. The Liouville's theorem in classical mechanics states that the total derivative of the phase space density along the trajectory is 0. So using the Liouville's theorem, using Liouville's theorem, we can write that d rho by dt plus equal to del rho by del t plus rho of h equal to 0. This implies that del t of rho equal to minus function of phi h, right. Hence del rho by del t is proportional to rho and h, right. So it matches with the condition B, means the option B of our correct statement, right. So the option B of our correct statement is our expected result. So thanks a lot.